Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, we will learn about how modal verbs are used to convey different conditions. There are 10 types of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ought to. These 10 modal verbs are used in many ways. There are some most common functions. We'll be discussing all these functions in detail in this video. So first are the uses of can. Can or cannot or can't is used to express or inquire about willingness. Look at the example. Can you help me move next Friday? So in this example, can is used to inquire about the willingness or readiness of a person for helping him or her to move next Friday. Next, in the negative, it shows inability or impossibility. Look at the example, we can't fix it. Negative form of can is cannot or can't. So this example shows the inability to fix it. Next is it shows possibility in the sense that an action is theoretically possible. Example, we can arrive in time if we leave now. So this sentence shows the possibility that they can arrive in time only if they leave at the moment. Next, it shows ability in the sense of knowing how or being able to do something. For example, we can swim but we can't surf yet. So this shows the ability of a person that they can swim but can't surf. Next, in informal situations, it expresses permission in the sense of being allowed to do something. For example, Mom, can I go over to my friend's house? So this is an informal situation and also a child is asking for a permission to go over his or her friend's house. Next are the uses of could. Could or couldn't can be used to make requests. For example, could you say it again more slowly? So in this sentence, a person is requesting someone, so could is used. Next, could can also be used for giving suggestions. For example, we could try to fix it ourselves. So in this sentence, suggestion is being made that हम इसे खुद ठीक करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. Next, could shows ability in the past. For example, until he grew taller than me, I could run faster than my younger brother. So this example shows the ability in the past that जब तक वो मुझसे लंबा नहीं हो गया, मैं अपने छोटे भाई के कंपैरिजन में तेजी से भाग सकता था. Next, it also identifies a possibility in the present. For example, we could go out for dinner or we could just eat leftovers. So this sentence identifies a possibility in the present that we have the option of going out for a dinner or else we could just eat leftovers. Next, it expresses or inquires about permission or willingness in a more polite form. For example, could I borrow your car next week? So a person is inquiring or asking for a permission to borrow a car next week. Next, it identifies a possibility in the future that is dependent upon a present action. For example, if she practiced more, she could sing beautifully. अगर वो अभी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेगी तो फ्यूचर में और भी अच्छा गाएगी. So this sentence shows or identifies a possibility in the future that is dependent upon a present action. Next are the uses of may. May expresses possibility in the present and future. For example, Dr. Fox may be your teacher next year. Dr. Fox अगले साल आपके टीचर हो सकते हैं. Confirmed नहीं है but possibility है future में, so may is used. Next, may is used in formal situations to express permission in the sense of being allowed to do something में formal situations में use होता है permission लेने के लिए. For example, may I be excused from the table? क्या मैं इस टेबल से जा सकता हूँ? So this is a formal situation where a person is asking for a permission to be excused from the table, so may is used. Next are the uses of might. Might is used to express possibility in the present, future and past. For example, he might have seen the movie before he read the book. Book read करने से पहले उसने movie देख ली होगी. So this sentence shows the possibility in the past. Next, might can be used in formal situations and also to express permission in the sense of being allowed to do something. May modal में भी ये same rule था. For example, might I be excused from the table? क्या मैं इस टेबल से जा सकता हूँ? So this is a formal situation where a person is asking for a permission to be excused from the table. So might is used. Might is more polite and tentative than may. So in this video I have explained 4 types of modal verbs: can, could, may and might. We'll be discussing all the remaining types of modal verbs in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is given in the description box, so kindly check it out and thank you.